official katanche n'ekishongoro cha East Africa. We all raise. Rather cha Uganda.
Katushabe Mukama ruhango ubushobozi bwona tukusima abuko washirizo kutekateka kwizoberi watwebembera ku rugaho mihande takushana watishye muri ugu mwanya mbwene Mukama tukweta kandi tweshengereza ngo umwanya gwo no kutaramara neberagambwe biyombe kensi yawe ne kanisa yawe kwera turya twatanisene na iwe Yesu Kristo Mukama wetu.
Yebare munonga kandi umwahure na naba band UPDF na munonga ba second division department yo ku entertaining abantu no kushemeza. Thank you very much. Sky TV irakari abantu kanshabe umwami bingana kandi otereye cyeshongoro umwami Dennis Karamuzi arikwetegura kandi kutugambira ikigenderwa cyo mwanyogu kandi na Ekitaramo eri kumanyisa aboko na nabagambire ngo Sky TV live kandi turi kutu ya Star Times hamwe na free to air hamwe na neje mikutiyono katushabe mwambingana kandi atwebembere umukeshongoro icyakunzire. Stay tuned.
Ondagene ngumukama simwe kitabakora kubi Mukama simwe no manya abakama bagumere wokugira uti Mukama simwe umutse mikona bagumana bakureba Mukama simwe ni ndugo mwana kuturya no kuturyo mbitine sabye tuburiyo mwine yakoruga buriyo mwine yarabire buriyo mwe ranga ina hamurabize tike cyo bishemwe mbwenu sebo fande nyobuke nanesha tunkazo mahe umukwezi kwikumi na kumwe narugamu umukwezi kwa kashatu cyananena mwenu warendo kubi nanye tindagerezo agameza macyago namaziriyo afande nanye at least konkandi dezata inewe injari kantora yeriye keta kubaska yeriye keriano mwenu kanye shongori cyeshongoro tokerwe aroho ineraji yempagari ibiri konkana yo naraji umurtokerwe aroho ineraji yempagari 15 but sir nawe ayineraji mweno rhanga buri yomwe ine hamwe ihire ahamurabize kantandike turebe Mukama ni nkusima kandi ni nkwebaza ahabuko biyiwanyihire na munonga nkafande ruhange yabarabize kuri umushaka igena kunkagitestinga hamezana mwishabahereze training mukagiheza ati mwono jangu mukarimu kushaki ambwe nimba terasa yuti kandi afandi munchereze nyongu mentere sari yuto n'ubuntar mu uniform n'ubunti no kundi akubani iyo kajege ijo niri mu magara ganje mwin hati kandi no kumuraji nyihemu jera weza DJ turebe kandi bweno yabihimba biriye binagirwe byatandika kumera yayera batandika kurya no kubyesimisa ubwire bureyingwa baryaho nibarya habyemeza ibyemeza bya kafifi bikera twatangara ibyemeza byakora hasi nebeyi yademba ibyemeza by'abakafeza buryo mwe nagenda neyiwe ruhangariyo nakuhindura nibaza kukweguya nisasi baba kugaya ngwiwo ryo nkoro bakutwara ngore kafifi koteine na mugasho manya hari ejura yo mugisha yeri heyigwa neyo kabanke byemeza bakakwesimisa ko kuyijuke bya Dauda yo muri Sawentama ogwa rukujware kishweta ateine na mpare munda arya waryo munyacyaro buryo mwe na mugaya ingera hati wa mureba note kotendereze iwo wabire cyemeza n'izina numanywa noho wabire n'amanyango ryahikahori ruhanga yakwihirayo ukwatabanda hamukono reka kwetwara ngarohaya hazorye cyemeza inzura yo mugisha kweri kugwa kafifi nizimera manyane yora hacha kurugayo bakakwesimisa nuza kutembe nyonyi nkagorobo ugende ko mukama bavuge mutuka bazentebe ubugana ndikafa emyenda no yija kuhinduraho toranise nakakumu nangwa n'indijo no gigaba ushango rikabaka akada nyingi zo bugenyi nebe yija kutaho ariba kutagaruka mwaba no yija kubanzaho tokiri kafifi muntu we no shitama n'abakama motoka zizampa ndetseho no butakizetaho akafarusoka inkibiri no yija kukarugaho ugarama harmazongoto ubyame ko mukama no yija kuba mujyanye mukuru nubatero mu ngaro no bora kafifi bahatinye cyo cyemeza kafifi zoriya mukazi zikaruga mu byemeza naryaho kandi atutuka nane bimwe nagaba mbakwete nkikono zuzamu notesha n'abakama n'abanyabuzare n'abakanya notungane bikado iwo y'umwana w'ubukama bamwe tubakimanya uteyija kwegwa muntu wo kajumisizi ye injura y'umugisha kweri kugwa babiri bakwehuzya bakushabe namba Yesu mu nibenda bakweshite ibyemeze bimwe byebirwe tibine sayidemera notera ndetse umwakusharaho takwendo mweshite abagayiga beyita umukimanye bamwe muri byemeza mareba jyahimurukire nembabazi za mukama ekinshobeyire cyo ni kimwe maherize mwayegwa watabanda hamukono tukabesimisiwe teka teka horjire reba nahi wahika uterenga rote ne bugobya maze musime mukama Bueno ati omwami akoraje Bueno ati nka afande obuyante rumungaro hati manya ati arhabona yende wabayanga kutera umungaro ecyo kubanza crime preventer nga tuwa RDU ko ati wayanga kutera umungaro guma yefumbatsi kandi yende wabasarikara ono bantera umungaro na jantoro hangano mukuru
Yes.
Omurimwe no habasa kuja kugira bargaho batahe batabaterira umungaro ko katumubwira ngo ezo nembabazi yabarese umwami Edwin
Yebari mnonga omwami bingana Geoffrey kana nimbashaba mwongere ngaro zamani yebari mnonga kandi watueshongoraje nyenda kubacira basebona banyabo among others Lieutenant Colonel Remy Mutabazi kandi Division Political Commissar twakwakira mnonga yebari kwijanye nyenda kwakira Major Mwebesa Agaba kandi Civil Military Cooperative Officer niwe twakwakira Captain Mawanda Public Relations Officer niwe twakwakira Lieutenant Ameria Natkunda kandi uri Councilor witu Mahewe twakwakira Second Division Brass Band, thank you for giving us good entertainment led by Staff Sergeant Katongore nanaba music mwena Warrant Officer kugonza Slivia na mwena tubasima kandi abatakabi tubaharwe tubasimira kimwe kandi umugenyi mukuru ngenda kumanyisa nguhanda hacenoza kureba hona hijurire kimwe abuko abantu bona bari mu mahanda nibija. Let me take the honor and the privilege to invite Mr. Dennis kandi utugambire ahabwenchi Ekitaramo kimanyisachi.
Umugenyi mukuru nakwakira abantu bakuru mwe n'abaryaha n'abantu baharwe mwena nabakira umuzina ry'Ekitaramo kandi umuzina ya big time no mazina ganje nk'omuntu kandi nimba kunda munonga Ekitaramo abosere no batarama mosere no muhurra Ekitaramo kiri kumanyisa kandi numuru n'abantu bakuru okutarama mukumanya numanya okutarama ekikwabere kutamba kandi na hati nicyo togereje gukora nyewe speech zanje ugamba kwanje tuko kuri yangu n'ukurunge nimba mpandikire kandi nani nshaba ngo mshomo mu rujungu nizagumana indabya mu Nornyankore konka umugenyi mukuru abantu aba na nimba simo gundu murundi okugumana bejana batarama kandi batereza amani omuringo gona mwene cyo ni nsima munonga tine bwarcara. I can't take it for granted akwa buri yomwe ateremwe amani tinko za gambizina tinko za gambo gunoria bakozire mobilization nangwa n'abantu bari yo muhanda nabeja niza kushoma speech dene bindi nebikurataho. Am Dennis Karamzi ninye mukama wa big time kandi ninye wa kabira hari akoraje umbi Ekitaramo tuine management y'Ekitaramo yindi kuza kushaba ngo yemereho management yonka amwami akoraje mwami Kagoro Daudi mwami wa Kuriya hari nkahi mwami abaho ky'orutaro abo nubo bakuburi infactor ga yoko abo bundi twatakushitama konka ejunior management nka top management konka abarku tarama band bona abakutiyamba mu kutarama bengi nangwa tuineho nebindi tuineho aba advisory tuineho abandi konka this is the management inani nyenda mwena ngo mbanjurire mukirebe niye kutambuza Ekitaramo mwe bari munonga mbasa kushitama hati. So on behalf of the management, I welcome you all to this symposium, the second edition of Ekitaramo Ekitemaduni. Thank you all for accepting our invitation and dedicating your time, money and other resources for the success of today's event. Our dear guest of honor, Allow me to let you in on the affairs of Ekitaramo, founded on the 6th June 2022. Ekitaramo is an educative, thematic, community-based organization headquartered in Harwe, Mbarara City. Our purpose is to preserve and promote useful cultures, promoting sustainable community-based development through execution of trainings on effective land utilization and through Burungi Bwansi initiatives. Mbwenu Burungi Bwansi kitukugezaho kumanyisa n'abantu kwekora mu murumo bakagira eki bayekorera kiri best ahantunguka y'abantu bo bonka nko kumwayekozire mu murumo mukakora eki mwakozire. We are champions of African themed storytelling with the intention of widely disseminating the truth about the important local, national and international events and about the contributions of noble people in different communities. Echi noble people n'abantu abakozire byo kutangaza omunsi zeitu, abantu abo tushemerere gumantu bejuka, abantu abo tushemerere gumantu bagambaho, tubashemerere kufa batyo bakeba okashuta bene makuru. Twintu cyo kureberaho nka late Kirmani byakozire Kanyariero n'abandi bagurusi twintu gambo mu Mkarazarwe n'abandi bantu bengi umusheija mukuru aha haroka abacenga abantu abo n'abandi abuntu akwasagamba amazina abakozire byo kutangaza mu nsombe ndigumana bejukwa. World over communities leverage culture and positive storytelling to preserve what they possess in all forms, and they shape sustainable community development around this anchor. Culture, however, due to the impact of the unstoppable global village phenomenon, most communities are struggling to get hold of their culture and values. Good culture values zigumire nizichendera abantu okugambira eryo abantu butatansa okutyorana no kujumirana ekyo tubakutansa abantu butamanya kuganiza okuganiza kaba mu kutyorana no kujuma nebindi ebya kubeire nibiyamba abantu mu kutura kwabo. Ekitaramo seeks to provide a platform for each of the African communities to come together, reflect on their culture values, determine those values that are still relevant and helpful in the current setup, and hold on to them as a primer to trigger the desired sustainable community-based development. Ekitaramo also seeks to provide opportunity where phenomenal stories can be told as a means to unearth the truth about champions behind development in different communities and how these events unfolded over time. To this end, today we are holding the 14th Ekitaramo Symposium themed Ekiganiiro ky'orutaro rwa NRA 1986-81, having held the maiden one on 1st July 2022. Those theme was Omugasho gw'Omugurusi Omuka. Since then, we have held many other events with different topics ranging from culture to service delivery to development initiatives. Tukataho Ekitaramo aza kikaba nikigamba ha Mugasho gw'Omugurusi Omuka. Nangu tukataho n'ikindi cyayo kigamba ha Mugasho gw'Omukazi Omuka. Mbwenu ko gamba Mugasho gw'Omugurusi Omuka nitwa abato munitire w'abagurusi omwene bashoba omugurusi oshango Mugasho gwe abagurusi batakigukora nko kwakubire guri nabone barabanamu nabubundi nibashobya kandi ebyo nabyo nibyo kugambwaho buri omwe akagira omwoga gwe yakubire nakora omuka omugurusi akakorogwe omwana akakorogwe omukazi akakorogwe buri omwe akagira ekitinisa kye n'omwoga gwe. I would like to thank the following people for their tireless efforts towards the growth of sustainable Ekitaramo. Honorable Akoraje Edwin Bariabgamba, the Ekitaramo leader and our perennial moderator. He has effectively guided all our symposia and is a reputable face of Ekitaramo. Rise up for recognition. Noza kwemerera sebo tukwebaze ahabo cyokozire okugumana okora Ekitaramo kandi okakikoraje umuringo gucyakubere nikikorwamo ekyo nikusimira ningaruka ninsima Daudi byabasheija is my co-founder ngatandikana Daudi ogu byabasheija wabarigiro mbero kandi nowe CEO nowe engine yitu nowari kututebekanisiza so ninkusima munonga. abaho tarho abaho Paulo takayizire konkana wontu musima atuyambire munonga omu kitaramo omukweta abantu mukugamba nebyo ningaraka nsima mwesijeri wakuburya these people have been this one has been the face of culture in our efforts to make Ekitaramo household name in Nkore Uganda as a whole. We thank you so much. Ebikwata ina culture rwakuburya nabishoboraje abigambaje nangwa kwa kuba hariho bwire abishoronze gigigi kandi abantu basima na internet nankahi rwakuburya nabigambaje when I want to musima. Since we started Ekitaramo, it has survived on the reception and kindness of the Harwe community and few other members. They have provided time, advice, knowledge, logistics, resources and money towards the progress of Ekitaramo. Omjenyi mukuru Ekitaramo eki cyosire kibiro habwa abantu babaharwe tinkuza gambo muhari yo mwanangu n'amazina agu yagampereza konka nindeba ngabasa kutura kandi konka abantu babaharwe kandi ababarya bateyire sente mwamina nkunda natuvuga buri zoba nankunda yemereraho tukwakire kandi tukuterera mu ngaro ukutuvuga amashitaga yawe bunde motoka yawe no tuvuga munonga n'abandi mwena tinkuza kubagamba amazina gariyaha konka mwena numwemanya omwe ahari omwe ahabwesha. Ekitaramo Symposium is an event that is unique from many others. It promotes cordial conversations. Cordial conversations niza kumanyisa timpaka tikimeza ngo aba hariho ba sideji harahabeji no ahubwo Ekitaramo kuruga kare abantu bakaba bashitama bagamba kandi bikirizana bagira ikibihamo nango nabandi bega nango abatekirize beje bagarukayo bajurura bagira nkonka buri nkonka kawashobuzi ngo ikimanya tuko kitwazwa kandi umwe ahindiraho bitatabereho mpaka hatabereho urutaro. Today we are it promotes a cordial conversation storytelling method. The design helps us to create an opportunity where our people can exchange knowledge that is crucial for promoting sustainable community-based development. Mbwenu muntu natine interest zakaruru kwa kumukustama mwaganira mbamutine bya business ngwa kugira ngo bariya nabamzabibu kandi nyondi wa big time nghato twarwana mustama mwikirizana ushange kintu cyagendaje mbwenu style yacyo tiempaka kandi ntugumizamu ntugumantu gamba bitari byempaka. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the vision of the Honorable Bush War leader, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and to remember the sacrifice of his compatriots in the armed struggle, some of them present here with us. Ikintu nyaranga mu kitero mu ngaro ikintu cyo kuzansa ahabo kuba vision y'umuntu omwe ya President Museveni tugicelebratinga ni byo mukimanye byetkorire buri omwe nakimanya mbwenu nikikuru munonga. We are here to remember the contributions of wananchi in the armed struggle, those who sacrifice resources, their family members, their normal life, and at times their lives. Ntugaraka tuijuka kandi celebratinga abana yinchi abatere mu sente zabo abatere mu magaragabo abatere mu abantu babo abaferire mu nango nabo batashemereirwe nabandi abashemereirwe abo nabo mbaterero mu ngaro umuringo gwona. We are the true sons and daughters of the revolutions, and we are ready to foster the principles of Pan-Africanism, patriotism, democracy and social economic transformation while executing our mandate in fulfillment of Ekitaramo objectives. Eitwe nitutiri abana barwanyisiriza nabeshyi barwanyisiriza kandi tuzagumzamu omu Ekitaramo eki ntishiriza engenderwaho za rwanyisiriza. As Ekitaramo management, we are committed to continue with this noble cause as our own contribution to the efforts of the Uganda government aimed at transforming their lives. We will continue to organize a lot more events. We are here where different topics can be discussed with purpose of educating our people in service of social economic transformation. We are in technological and industrial era. But our people may miss out if they are not deliberately educated to tap into the opportunities at hand. We call upon people of different skill sets, talent, knowledge and resource to join us in this journey. Turiyo mu bwire bwa industrial revolution, abintu hati tibyakikorwa abantu bonka bikorwa na nebyoma na machines, so abantu bitu twine kubegeza mbwene ninyeta abantu bona oine skill oine kumanya through this platform aije tusomesa abantu towards industrial revolution ejero. Our dear guest of honor, while executing our mandate, we face a number of logistical challenges, most of which are routine. At this moment, allow me to present to you details about this issue. CEO presents document. Okay. Tuine akandiko kaitu kache na ninyenda ngo ugakakuhereze. We hope with your support we can overcome these challenges. We also request you to tell the responsible government agencies to support our cause for mutual benefit. I wish you and other guests a nice experience of Ekitaramo kitamaduni here at Big Time. Mbweni ni mpendera ningira ngo mubeje tutarame abantu bakirino beja nabandi nibeyongera orukunywe cyo kunywa kinywe hatebekeine tarhoshonga kandi mwena mutarame mbeje mbe free. Okutarama no kuba free no shitamo ko wayenda no shitamaho wayenda, okutarama no kuganira n'ekiganiro kiri free tar mu rwango nango no kwa no bwakwenda kuganiza kwa kuteine nshonga no ganiza umuntu konka to kumujuma kandi no muganiza mpora no foko mugambira yaba ininka kantu kake no kagamba mweno nebyo bye moderator ningira ngo nyona akomaho ibigambo byanje nibike ebyanyu nibyo bingi. Let's enjoy the Ekitaramo. Mwebare munonga.
Yes, another round of applause. Yebare munongo mwami. Dennis Karamzi, mjenyi mkuru, Major General Sam Kavuma and team twabachira kitwe kabe Ekitaramo kantu basima kwihayo ekigendererwa cha UPDF iherieto nbariyeta Uganda People's Defense Forces. Omulo nubagira ngo justice should not be done, but it should be seen to be done. Mwene cyo kigambo cya kubera y'abantu tisheme kuba nkibe kigambo konka kureka ncyenda kurebwa mwene we nyenda kubasima mbatera umungara abantu aba bayureka ngo iherya rya Uganda n'ery'abantu abantu aba nenyenda kubaterera amasimu umwami karogwa gumire n'abaterisi muziba batuzakira konkenyo wezanje kunani njita honti afande kurayija jakira tuganira njita honti afande Sam ajakira yebare mnoga kureka esimu yaba mahoka bara kujakira ukange ukakwakira yanje ya civilian mugakembatera umungaro kandi tubasima mnonga. Thank you. Tuenda kwakira umbuzi ahabwa All Saints Church Harwe twakwakira yebare kwija tuenda kwakira umbuzi Nsamba.
Sky TV irakari abantu. Sky TV irakari abantu.
Sky TV yakuletera ekisya omuli bulenje rw'izoba oyine emikoro ya bulikika enkiko zona emikoro y'amashomero corporate companies hamwe n'ezindi nyamwingi nitukumanyisa ngo nitubasa kukwatira omukoro gwawe butunu aha Sky TV aha kasente kachemunonga kandi nitubasa kushanga buruholi iwe cyo ine kukora tuhikire aha office zitu aha Makrista Road hihi na Kabateri na Primary School omururembo mbarara ninga tuterere simwezi Note mushanje 8 9 9 5 5 3 na mushanje.
iraka ly'abantu.
Olususu lw'omwana wange lwetaaga endabirira eyeesigika. Kyenva mmunaaza kyogero vitamin E soap ate ne mmusiiga kyogero vitamin E pink jelly okusobola okukuuma olususu lwe nga lulamu. Omwana wange n'anyirira ne yeeyagala n'abeera musanyufu buli kaseera. Ate ne famire yange nayo tukozesa kyogero products. Y'ensonga lwaki tunyirira. Abazadde tukozesa kyogero products omuli cocoa butter